Hey everybody, that's another sample sale in the books. Now that the dust has settled, we're going to give you a few quick tips to take advantage of all those new samples. Stick around for that and to see which fragrances got the most love. But first off, congratulations to the giveaway winners, and thanks to all of you who shared your fragrance hauls for a chance to win. If you missed out on the sale or the giveaway, be sure to join our newsletter and follow us on social so that you'll be able to take part next time. You can see the winning entries at the end of this video. And who knows, the next winner could be you. Many of you took a liking to some newer scents with Black Cardamom and Cream, Golden Santal, and Beechwood making up the top 3. Warm and cozy was a trend with Christmas Hearth, Apple and Maple Bourbon, and Campfire Marshmallow also being extremely popular choices. And now for the tips. Use blotter strips to test fragrances and create blends. Take detailed notes as you are testing. It's important to keep track of those ratios, the different combos you've tried, what wax you used, all of that good stuff. If you're brand new to crafting, or even if you're not, spark your inspiration with our tutorials. If you've already sharpened those crafting skills and you want to start your own business, we have tons of articles and even an email business course to guide you through your entrepreneurial journey. And finally, share your thoughts with your audience, including us. People want to hear about your soaps, your candles, and most importantly, your brand. Use our social media guide to whip your brand into shape. If you've got questions and comments, let us know, and even though the sale is over, please keep the fragrance hauls and reviews coming. We love seeing them, and we share your posts all the time. Seriously, we do, but you would know that if you were following us. Goodbye. Here are some interesting, and here's tons of articles